PATH was trending a couple of hours ago. This is Wednesday, the 7th of January 2026. Let's see what we have. I think it's still the fact that it may still be added into the S&P MidCap 400 index. Yeah, that is why it's trending amongst other things. The inclusion is expected to draw a substantial wave of institutional investments since many funds are required to track or benchmark against the index. As a result, investors are increasingly viewing the move as a milestone that could meaningfully boost both liquidity and long term shareholder demand. At the same time, the broader community is energized by the company's strategic pivot toward Agentic AI, a next generation approach to automation where AI systems don't just assist users but independently coordinate and execute complex workflows. Combined with the company's recent shift into consistent profitability, many see this as a strong confirmation that the company is evolving beyond traditional RPA and positioning itself at the center of the enterprise AI transformation. Taken together, the index inclusion, growing AI leadership narrative, and improved financial performance are widely being interpreted as catalysts for greater market visibility and a potential upward re-rating of the stock. Many investors, for many investors, the company now represents not just an automation vendor, but a key platform player in the future of intelligent enterprise operations. Yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. Okay, so it's pretty much just down slightly, 0.46%. Let's see what we have. Let's see whether we can get anything from its options grid. It has a short interest of around 11%. Let's see how they are trading the stock. Yeah, okay, we have here 17.5. So it's getting interesting here. It's getting this is the January 16 series, getting interesting. Yeah, so this is indicating that market makers well, if it advances towards 17.5, it's pulling back now. The fact that it's down, it's giving them some reprieve. But if it continues to advance, then market makers may begin to buy more shares. So this is an indication of how much they're buying. So you multiply, obviously, every contract is, if to exercise a contract, you have to buy 100 shares. So given what is going on right now, let's assume that all of these are buy to open contracts. And then you're talking about multiply this by 100. We're talking about 2 million shares and some fraction, but you also have to multiply that value by 0.47. So as things stand right now, they're not bothered. The stock is they're getting some relief. You can see the stock is down 0.46%. If it pulls back, then they may sell. If it advances, then they will continue to buy more shares. So and indeed also for all of these ones here as well. So a couple of things are going on there. It's the so far in this January 16 series, the decent amount of activities going on there. Let's see whether we can get anything on its February 20. Yeah, it's also not that scanty here as well. So if it advances towards $19 and $20, then they will be buying more shares. They will be buying more shares. And let's have a look at the May 15, see if there's anything there as well. Yeah, same $20 as well. We have it here on May 20th. So just a decent amount of activities going on its options grid, on its options pit. Okay, underlying trend strongly bullish. High prices are expected to keep playing out up till the 6th of February. The 40-day moving average is equally rising. So projections are saying, let's see now, nothing to the upside. Everything is a downward projection. Beginning from the list, we have 11.52, 12.73, 14.7, and 16.89. Momentum is expected to pick up as well. It's already picking up. It has picked up, and it's expected to remain strong up till the middle of this month up till Friday, the 16th of January. Okay, so we could see what's going on its 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, some contraction is expected to play out, but all in all, consolidation is what is expected up to the 16th of Feb of January. Yeah, projections here are saying, let's see what we have. 17.15. Previously, we had as high as 18.65, 19.05. Okay, nothing. Okay, nothing here. I don't think market makers are not going to be. They're not going to be right. They're not going to be that concerned or concerned right now. Yeah, not very much. They're not very much worried about what's going on right now as such. With the stock. One other thing we could do is just quickly have a look at its market grid. It's going to give us a range of possible prices. Okay, let's see what we have. So the range is between 18.11 and 16.85, and the stock is pointing downwards, 17.22. So it's now in the support zone. So there's a good chance it may well print lower prices, just as the algos here. The extrapolation seems to be suggesting that he may continue to weaken, and then maybe afterwards might pick up. So the chance of lower prices printing is still there. 16.85, something that's possible as well on this 4 hour chart. Let's glance at its 1 hour chart to see what it's indicating. Okay, on the 1 hour chart, let's see. The range here is a lot narrower, 17.31 and 17.09, and it's at 17.2. So yeah, lower prices still very much possible. In the very short term, lower prices are still possible. On its daily chart, it's right outside of the grid, so it's not going to give us a good indication of what's going on. Yeah, those hourly charts they have a better representation of what's going on. So underlying trend still strongly bullish. Anyway, we'll see how all of this will pan out. Visibility it's get an inclusion in the S&P 500, S&P 400 midcap is good. It provides the liquidity and the visibility, and let's see how all of this will pan out with UiPath. And okay, so have a look and see what you make of the stock, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.